These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is provided for educational purposes only. Welcome to 30 Trades in 30 Days Trading Challenge. The rules for this challenge is very simple. We take one trade per day. If we win that, we stop the session. If we lose that, we double the amount on the next trade. If you want to follow along with this challenge with me and see the real process of trading and ups and downs, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now so you don't miss the next parts. Now, let's have today's session. Hello and welcome to today's trading session. Let me just draw this very quick. You know that I take one trade per day, and in this challenge, I should try my best to take the best possible trade I can. This is the supply area. This is a trend line. And this is the line that I marked the potential third touch breakout trade. This is the first touch, second touch, lower low, and third touch break. It's going to give me the trade. Right now, we have this ranging market with common point of rejection right here, but I cannot trade this common point of rejection because it's risky. It's only one reason. If I was in my normal session, I would take my entry here because of common point of rejection and probably lose, because this is only one reason. I have to add up different reasons. Now, this is another safer common point of rejection. Overall, this is a price channel coming down in this price channel. The last time price touched this demand zone right here. So that's why these buyers are, that's where these buyers are coming from. And also these sellers are coming from the order block right here, this order block. Basically, if we have a trend or support like this, support, doesn't matter if that's dynamic support or static support, and then the crazy breakout happens, leaving this fair value gap like this, FVG, right? And the candle before becomes the order block. So the price, these sellers are coming from order block, these buyers are coming from this demand zone or QM. And now we are in this price channel. We had this potential opportunity for this common point of rejection. And now, what else do we have here? We have this potential trade based on the third touch breakout. Now, I will take this third touch breakout. This is not a proper doji. If I could add up this doji, it would be huge. But now, yeah, I have to just wait for the best possible trade I can find. This third touch breakout, I'm a little bit, I'm not really confident about this because it's not clearly creating a lower low for me. I would love to see lower low like this with candles bodies compared to previous low, but it didn't happen here. It didn't really create a lower low. So I'm a bit skeptical about this third touch breakout, but the rest of the market was oh, look at this. It's working. Like, today is a very good day to trade. It's the example of good market. I'll make this supply a red, and this is how I analyze my charts. Right now, we're inside this price channel. We have to see the reactions, see how market moves. If we have a significant breakout, then we can decide about this demand, or this demand also having the common point of rejection could be very nice. Let me draw. This is not a good demand right now because it's not causing anything. I would love to see a breakout and then coming back to this demand, It's already reacting from the demand area. Let me see if we have anything inside. Yeah, this is the one who made the reaction. All right, now the third touch breakout is about to happen. Honestly, this is only one reason, so I shouldn't take this third touch breakout. In order to have the best possible results, we need a confluence of reasons. I have to keep moving. There's a QM, there's a trend line, it's invalid. We have this QM. Okay, It looks good. It looks actually good. I don't see, yes, I see engulf. I entered right now. Let's go. I entered based on this one. We have another, oh shit, we have another demand right down here. Let me mark this real fast. This is a demand zone. We have also another demand zone right down here. It's happening inside an engulfing pattern, right? The QM itself is this one. And we have engulfing in 5 minutes. See, this one is inside the engulf. This one is outside the engulf. While this one is generally safer because it's in a safer area. It was a winning trade. What? It actually was a winning trade by a very small margin. Yeah. So we have another entry right down here. This is basically when it comes to QMs. The entry below the QM zone is safer, but you have to check if that's inside the engulfing pattern. This is the engulfing pattern in 5 minute time frame. It's called higher time frame confirmation, and this one is right inside it. And overall, this is a decision point as well. See, resistance, decision to break this resistance has happened here. That's why we looked for lower time frame entry in this setup. Okay. I took today's trade. In this challenge, I only trade like 1 trade per session. So yeah, I'm not gonna take more trades. This breakout didn't happen on the very first chart. This demand respected a couple of times, and then now we have broken demand. We still have the common point of rejection with this gap down confirmation, right? Gap down is a confirmation. It's not a setup. Make sure you remember that. And yeah, we can also, maybe we can consider this as a third touch breakout now. The higher high is very clean. Gap down and common point of rejection, yes. Sorry for interruption. For those who are asking, this is the only Telegram channel that I have, which I share my students' results only and the announcements that I have. Nothing too crazy, not like similar in signal channels and things like that. If you're interested, that's the first link in the description. Is another common point of rejection. So what do we mean by common point of rejection? If you look, there's millions of rejections here. The one line that takes the most rejections possible is common point of rejection, and market usually respects that line. This is one of them. This is another one. See this line? It got so many rejections, almost all of them. Now we have third touch breakout set up, right? Like this, first touch, second touch, third touch broken. And then we have gap down in the favor of buyers, and then we have the common point of rejection. The entry could be here, and it would be a winning trade. This is how I trade. This is how I analyze. Please let me know in the comments if you like this way of trading. Thank you for watching, everyone, and peace out.